morning, students. As we have studied that there are several industrial practices, and due to that industrial practices, there is bad effect on our ecosystem. And not only one thing is responsible behind, there are several other reasons which are affecting our ecosystem. Under this, first, mining industries we have already discussed. Now today we are going to discuss another things which are disturbing our ecosystem and which is only the reason of several industrial practices. So first is urbanization. Now, urbanization means when more people are living in urban areas, it is called urbanization. Or when people are migrating from rural areas to urban areas, that is called urbanization. And economic progress of a nation is closely associated with both industrialization and urbanization. Growing share of urban population to the total population of a country is called urbanization. When people are moving towards urban areas, this is called urbanization. When more people are living in urban areas, means the area of urban is increasing, that is called urbanization. And due to this urbanization, our ecosystem is affecting, because what happens that with the growth of medium and large scale industries, several industrial towns and cities are also emerged especially in our India. In 1951, 17% people were living in urban areas, but now in 2011 it was estimated to 32%, and in 2020 it has reached to more than 40%. More than 40% people are living in urban areas nowadays, but earlier it used to be only 10 to 17%. Now, what are the reasons behind? So cities are the main hub of economic activities in any industrializing country. Thus, in many cases, the economic and social infrastructure of these cities become inadequate to meet the growing needs of the people. Thus, in many large cities, we find the existence of many slum areas where with poor waste disposal facility, inadequate access of safe drinking water and sanitization facilities. This is also one of the ways which is disturbing our ecosystem, because those people who are coming from rural areas, if they are coming from remote rural areas, they do not have enough earning, they are living in one of the corners of urban cities, means in slum areas where there is no proper sanitation facility, no proper safe drinking water, no other facilities at all, and which is disturbing our ecosystem badly. Next is deforestation. Deforestation means when trees are cut in order to develop the dams, in order to develop the roads and all, that is called deforestation. Means removal and destruction of forest cover of an area for economic gain is called deforestation. And there are many causes responsible for deforestation. First is constructing dams have resulted in erosion of more and more river canals and land on both the sides of various rivers. Second, forest wood is also used for cooking, lighting and heating purposes. And third, many industries are based on forest. For example, paper, furniture, plywood, drugs, etc. are based on forest. And due to this, deforestation is taking place. And due to this deforestation, our ecosystem is getting disturbed. Now third is pollution. As we all know, there are four types of pollution. First is air pollution, next is second is water pollution, third is soil pollution, and last is noise pollution. So these are only because of these industrialization and urbanization. Now air pollution indicates an accumulation of health hazard substances in the atmosphere. Many industries are the powerful sources of air pollution like cement industries, chemical industries, fertilizer industries, paper mills, sugar mills, chemical plants, pulp. They produce huge amount of substances in the air, and which is disturbing the chemical like cement industries creating so much dust. Not only these, even the discharged gases of vehicles accounts about 60% of air pollution in cities, and in metropolitan cities almost 80% of the air pollution is created by such vehicles. So it is also one of the reasons which is disturbing our ecosystem. Second is water pollution. So water pollution means contamination of water by foreign matter that deteriorates the quality of the water. It includes river pollution and ocean pollution. So harmful bacteria, mines, especially gold and gold mines, are responsible for large quantity of acid water, and which is the result of water pollution as a whole. Third is soil pollution. Under soil pollution, what happens, the disposal of industrial waste also causes soil pollution, because the soil pollution pollutants include the waste from the food and fruit processing industries, hazardous waste generated from tanneries, petroleum refineries, paper, pulp industries, iron, steel industries, chemical, fertilizer industries, etc. In most cases, a huge volume of solid waste are dumped in the soil, and due to this, the quality of the soil is decreasing, soil is getting polluted. Last is noise pollution. The growth of industries and industrial towns leads to the problem of noise pollution. That is an unwanted sound that adversely affect human and wildlife. The main source of such pollution are noise produced in factories, noise produced in mining activities, and noise produced by the motor vehicles. So here this topic ends. Today we covered all the remaining points which are disturbing our ecosystem due to several industrial practices. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.